Hello all and welcome to the Mug Life DIY. Hey guys, it's Julia and welcome to my channel, and today I've got a really fun, simple last minute Christmas gifts for could be yourself or someone you love that loves coastal DIY. I'm going to be making four really fun and cute ornaments, so I hope you guys are inspired and enjoy. And if y'all are anything like me, you have a bazillion of these little Dollar Tree ornaments and the faux snow. I still have not figured out the magical secret of the snow not sticking to the side. So you just gotta kind of have to embrace that. Now, of course, I said all of these are going to be coastal inspired Christmas DIYs. So these are really fun, and I am personally biased. I love all things coastal. So this was a really fun kind of outside of the normal Christmas decor and style. So I took one of the little bulbs, took some faux snow, and these little, seashells. Wow, yes. I have several of them. I bought back in the summertime for summer crafts. So I stuck them inside of the little ornament, and to jazz it up a little bit, I'm going to take some jute twine and wrap it around the top section. Now, after I had glued all of the jute twine all around the top, I thought it just looked a little bit too plain. Yeah. So I'm taking some of my little beads, square beads. Yeah. Also from the Dollar Tree garland. I've had them since I found them, so several months now, and I took 3 of them and just tied a knot with my jute twine, and then I'm going to kind of just lightly, not like a full opaque paint job on them, and then I wrapped that little other side section just to kind of finish it off so that extra piece would not be hanging off. And then I'm going to say almost like a dry brushing effect on the 3 beads, just really lightly, just pushing over, using all of the paint and spreading it around. And I think it just added a nice little touch of that aqua bluish seaside color. All right, now this little wooden piece actually had 4 little snowflakes on them, and I really loved the size of them. So I cut them all apart, and I knew I wanted to make several little ornaments with them. So I'm just taking my leftover seashells and my little sand dollar, also from the Dollar Tree. I believe it came in like a 5 or 6 pack. I've done several projects with them, and this is my favorite color. I used it for several DIYs in the summertime, the surfboard, and it's just, it's so pretty. Totally my color of blue. And then I just began painting all of my snowflakes. Wow, I could not even just anyways, are you guys loving making ornaments? This is actually only my second ornament video that I've ever made. I love doing little ornaments and crafts like this with my kids, and I love doing personal sentimental gifts for my friends and family, but I don't know, I just really sometimes feel outside of my comfort zone when I do my personal gifts or crafts on my channel. But I just decided, hey, these might really inspire someone or make you smile, or maybe just make you think a little bit outside of the box. And so I decided to share them with you guys. Now, this little bag of faux snow is actually, it wasn't even half of a bag, and it really goes quite far. I am pleasantly surprised, and I am such a messy. You can see there is snow everywhere. I am going to try to collect the snow that's left over, but I thought of reusing it and this was my attempt. So I wanted the faux snow on the back side just to finish off the pieces. I thought it just complemented really well, and then I just kind of hot glued each little center seashell. Wow, stumbling of the words. Shelly seashells down by the seashore. No, just me. Okay. All right, back to focus, y'all. Okay, so I just glued all of my ornaments pretty generously because they were kind of heavy and I didn't want them slipping and sliding around. So I definitely let them set and dry completely. and these little seashells also from the Dollar Tree during the summertime. And I kind of just placed them, just whatever I thought looked really good. And then I just hot glued all around and set it aside. And then after a while, I don't know, I thought they looked just a little bit too plain, or maybe just a little bit too, maybe the word is homemade. Like, I want people to know I made them or make things for them, but I want them to look really nice. So I thought they just were a little bit too simple. So that's when I kind of went back and added a few little finishing touches. Now, whenever I am gifting things, like I said, I like to do the back sides. I wanted it to be very finished, very complete, and just overall really, really pretty. So even if the ornament flipped around on the tree, or, you know, maybe you saw the side of it, I wanted every single part to just be really pretty to look at. So that's why I am just really being extra with all of these little fine-tuning parts. I painted the sides of the little wooden piece. Now, I actually had to go back because the sides of these little Dollar Tree wooden just pieces soak up paint. So I did have to do like 2 coats on the sides just to make sure that they were completely covered. Now, this was kind of when I noticed, I thought it just looked a little bit too plain. And I'm like, okay, well, let me just see how the twine makes it look. And if it didn't look right, you know, maybe I'll think of adding something. I thought about adding some more beads as I did in the other one, but I ended up going with adding just a little bit of the faux snow. Not too much as I did on the back, because I really did want the blue to show through. So I just did a light layer of my Mod Podge and kind of just used the leftovers that are just all over my craft table and shook off the excess. And I just thought that really finished off the looks of the ornaments. Now, my Christmas tree is very, very, very classic. I've got red and green and white everywhere, but I think they're still really, really pretty. What do you guys think? What are the colors that you decorate with your Christmas tree? I would love to know. And you guys, it always inspires me when you guys recreate my crafts, and it just always makes me smile. I love talking to you guys, and thank you again for just your love and support. And that's it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun and easy gift giving idea. And if you do like these coastal kind of Christmas vibes, I am planning on doing some coastal DIYs for the springtime. Yes, I'm thinking, why not do it year round? Like, I can't be the only one that loves coastal DIYs. That's it for me, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.